Hi there. So previously discussed about the structure of a flower. In today's video, we are going to discuss about its function, which is reproduction, and it comprises of two steps, the pollination and fertilization. Initially defining that pollination is transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a flower. This is carried out by three main ways, which is by means of water, wind, and insects. In this video, we are going to discuss about how pollination takes place with the help of insects. So insects come roaming here and there from one flower to another flower. They are in search of the nectar, but what actually happens is that pollen grains get stuck with their feet and wings, and then they move from one flower to another. Those pollen grains are transferred to the stigma of another flower, and once the pollen grains have landed on the sticky surface of the stigma, they stay there to reach inside the ovary by passing through the style. Pollen grains are passed to the ovary in order to reach the ovule, and upon reaching the ovule, they become fused with one another and fertilization takes place. And then it fuses with it, forming the fruit and the seed, where ovary becomes the fruit and the fertilized ovule becomes the seed. Thank you for watching.